Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do this light bronze eye makeup look. It is very simple for every day, and I also wanna show you the lip products that I used. It took me a while to choose these because I couldn't decide. For today's video I'm gonna be using the Essence Disney Jasmine Eyeshadow Palette. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more makeup tutorials and reviews, and share this video with a friend that likes soft everyday eye looks. I'm starting off with this lip gloss by Catrice because my lips are super dry. This is the Generation Plump and Shiny Lip Gloss in Sparkling Coral. Then I'm taking the palette and this yellow matte shade. I'm gonna use this as my transition color, and I'm diffusing the eyeshadow in the crease. This shade has a muted mustardy color, and I'm also blending lightly on the outer eyelid. If you think that this eye look is very yellowy, you can use a light beige eyeshadow as your transition color. I'm going back and forth with the eye blender brush by Essence. You can use any round fluffy brush that you have. After that, I'm picking up this coppery shimmery shade. I'm pressing this on the outer third of the eyelid with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. And I'm also blending any harsh edges on the eyelid and the crease. For the crease, I'm using the previous blending brush. To build up the intensity, I'm taking some product with my fingertip and I'm pressing lightly on the same area. With my brush, I'm going over the edges one more time so I can have a very smooth finish. Here we have a deep gold shimmery shade, and with my brush I'm packing this color on the inner eyelid. With the tip of the brush I'm buffing the shade towards the crease. Also I'm trying to blend the coppery and gold shades together. I'm patting some product with my fingertip to make the shade shinier, and I'm doing that with my little finger because I'm the worst in applying eyeshadows with my fingers. I don't have a very big eyelid area and it's not easy. I'm telling you, it's not. I'm blending the edges once again, and then I'm taking this warmer gold shade. It has a shimmery finish, and this one reminds the coppery shade on the outer eyelid, but it is lighter in color. With a smudging brush by Urban Decay, I'm diffusing this on the outer portion of the lower lash line, and it is going to be the base for the next eyeshadows that we will apply in a while. I'm blending towards the outer eyelid to connect the colors in the outer crease. This is gonna give a blended finish to the eye look. Let's continue with this gold eyeshadow. It has a yellow undertone and a shimmery finish. I'm smudging this in the inner part of the lower lash line, basically the remaining area without any eyeshadow. I'm trying to keep the color closer to the lashes because I don't want to make my eyes rounder, and I'm always blending towards the outer lash line to create an ombre effect with the gold shades. Next, I'm picking up this matte dark purple shade, and very lightly I'm diffusing the color in the outer lower lash line. I'm keeping the brush closer to the lashes to prevent covering the previous shade. With my brush I'm blending towards the outer corner, and I'm also adding some product on the outer eyelid. Basically, I'm creating a small V that can make our eyes uplifted and elongated. It is a technique that looks amazing on any eye shape, except maybe someone with upturned eyes because they already have this uplifted effect by nature. I have used a small amount of the purple eyeshadow to keep the eye look very soft, and you can see here the difference between my eyes. I'm buffing the color out with the same brush. This is the 121 by Luxie, and this is a small round blending brush. You can use a pencil brush as well. I'm adding some more product to intensify the purple color. I think coppery eyeshadows can look fantastic with purple shades. You can also use orange colors with purple and it will be amazing. To make my eye look symmetrical, I continue blending the shades, and at the same time I'm looking straight in my mirror. This way I can see exactly where to add more product or even blend. It's time for some tea. I'm always adding some ginger because I love the taste. The weather is very strange these days. One day it is very warm and the next one it's raining. After the tea break, I'm taking these two light highlighters by Sleek Makeup. They are from the Solstice Highlighter palette, and with the previous brush, I'm highlighting the inner corner. Even though this eye look is lighter, I still think that it needs a shade in the tear duct. I'm also adding the same eyeshadow on the brow bone to bring it forward. It was looking hidden behind all those golden bronze eyeshadows. Then I continue blending the brow bone with the first brush that I used in the crease. Let's go back to this purple eyeshadow, and this time with an eyebrow brush by Essence. I'm pressing very close to the lashes to create soft lines, and in the outer part I'm trying to create a soft wing. For mascara, I'm using this one by Sleek Makeup, the Black Utopia, which is a volumizing mascara. As a professional makeup artist, I have learned some tricks for mascara application. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video about mascara tips. Time for the lips. I'm removing with a tissue paper the product on my lips and I'm covering them with foundation. Just use what is left on the sponge. You don't need to add more product. And then I'm taking a lip liner by Ilamasqua in the shade Raw. With this one, I'm outlining the lips and I'm also filling them in. So this is gonna be the base for the next two lip products. As I have said before, it took me a while to find a lipstick, and in the end I picked up this one here by MAC. This is the Cream Sheen lipstick in Ravishing. It has a light peachy color, super pretty for this eye look, and I'm cleaning the edges with just a Q-tip. Let's continue with the lip gloss that I had previously on my lips. This one has a very beautiful sheen and a light corally color that looks amazing with the peachy lipstick. You can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!